Welcome. If you want to activate audio control in your camera on LG K61, for the first you have to open your camera, then tap on the left upper corner to enter the settings. And right now, oh sorry, I just misclicked. Let's enter it one more time, click on the left upper corner, and right now we have to select the cheese shutter. And right now when we say the cheese smile, as you can see, it's working. And just read it, kimchi or LG. So let's say it one more time, LG, smile. And as you can see, that's how we can control your camera with your voice on LG K61. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya.